Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.3-liter ECOBOOST engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, trailer tow package, and the advanced tow package. Taking a look back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, ripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection. We do get remote start as well. And moving to the front here, we got recovery hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got storage, USB and USB-C, and of course, you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look in the back here, we do get a nice powered driver's seat, manual passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.7 kilometers. We got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have a digital speedometer and lane centering, my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. We got our gear select here, tons of storage. You got outlets down there as well, auto stop, auto start, park braking, traction, four-wheel drive, drive modes, and trail control. Storage below. Your climate controls, just the basic ones, hazard, storage below, above, and above me we do get our features for our powered rear window opener, a nice big infotainment system with your trailer brake just beside it. You have AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, climate controls at the bottom, dual climate, and heated front seats. And here we got all our apps, so navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sketch. We got our vehicle settings here as well. You got auto hold, your backup camera, you can turn on your park sensing and go into your hitch, which is pretty handy. You got your phone connectivity, so you can connect your phone. And with this vehicle, you do get a little sketch feature, which is all pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE07876, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.